Hello, it is week 7. I'm really not sure, but I have it written down somewhere. Last week, you submitted your unproctored quiz on chapter 7. I hope that went well for you. We finished up the probability section. That's the only section on probability that we're going to do. This week, we're going to start data interpretation. In other words, pie charts, bar graphs, line graphs, histograms, scatter plots, different types of ways to represent data in math. And we're only doing one section from this chapter. This is chapter 8, and we do section 8.2. So this week you're going to do 8.2 in Moodle. I have notes and things on the Moodle shell. And you're going to do a lab with that multiple intelligence information that you posted on the discussion board last week. This week you will respond. But last week you posted your top 3 intelligences. You all did a great job on that. Very, very interesting. What I'm going to do tonight, after everybody posts, is I will put those numbers from our class. I have it written down right here on this piece of paper where that green pen is. I will take the data from from our class, and I will put it in the multiple intelligence lab for this week. You're going to have to do a pie chart. You're going to have to do a bar graph. I think there's the only 2 types. And then you're going to have to answer some questions. And we're going to use the information that you posted on the discussion board last week. So your intelligences will be represented in our data. I love this lab. It's my favorite lab of the entire semester. I think it's fun. You learn a lot about yourself and others and the different types of intelligences that are in our world. I'm trying to think what else. A couple of you have asked me very specific questions about your specific situation. I'm working on some of those things, kind of on a case by case basis. Everybody's different, but we are trying to work on some things specific to your class and to your needs. I think that's all. I don't really have anything else to say this week. Again, you're going to do one section in Hawks, and you're going to do a lab on the multiple intelligences from last week. So I'll have that all on Moodle. If you have any questions, send me a message. If you've sent me a message, I'm working on it. I have not updated grades. I don't update grades till after Tuesday. Well, definitely not after Monday because the stuff's due Monday night at midnight. So I don't even look at it till Tuesday. And then I try to give people a couple of days grace period. So I'll be putting grades in probably some Tuesday afternoon. And then I usually finish it up on Thursday. Have a great week. And if you need anything, let me know.